You're swerving. So we are at the salt flats, or whatever they call this, salt refining beds, where they pump water in, then they let the water filter out, they collect the salt and then pump water back in and start the same process all over again. And here we found a little trail that goes around somewhere to something. We gotta try to find the start and finish. How long does it say it is?
Number 2 is 10.9 kilometers, 11 kilometers.
11 kilometers, okay.
And number 1 is 4.5 or so.
So are we going to combine the two?
They don't meet, but we can try and look for that. But we're going to start right now. See, here's the fish pond that we just anchored in. We came down here. We are right there. I have the map.
Okay. Fish pond that we anchored in? You mean where we put our dinghy?
Where we put our dinghy in and right there.
Okay.
And then we rode down here, and now we have to go back this way and go down towards the marina. Right over there.
Okay.
And make our way over.
All right, that's a game plan.
This is for the birds.
We have stopped at a bird watching station, and these are all the beautiful little birds that live here on this island. And this is a saltwater park, natural saltwater park. So we think it's extra salty here, which is why they make salt. And it's in a closed lagoon, and you can see the foam piling up on the rocks, which makes us think that it's extra salty. I see those beautiful striped birds out there. I can get a better picture of them. Pretty cool. Look at that foamy stuff from all the high salt. We found a placard that describes different types of vegetation and habitats that are around this area. A lot of unique plants, features, reeds, things like that that grow in this salty, marshy swamps. We found the end of the first trail, so this is where we started. And we are now here, so we're going to go take a look and see what these beaches look like, and then find the road that goes all the way back around. So, hopefully, you can find it. Should only be one road. We found the beach. The waters look like they do in the Caribbean. They're so clear and blue.
Want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. I'm not done. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. I'm not done, guys. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. I'm not done. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through to my still raising me up. And when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it.
One of these means laundry.
I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it.
Your clothes on the back?
Yeah.
Here.
What'd you say? Clean it again.
I have clean clothes on the back. In the back. Not here. Yeah, not here.
So why are you moving on? Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not fair, gotta go again. Wish to get over it, 'cause when I look aside, she's always by my side. She guides me with a sign and light of me.
Kind of full there, aren't you?
It ain't over, it ain't over.
Talking about your dinghy,
It
Dan.
ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. 'Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it.